Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at complementary events. So essentially anything, well, everything that we find a probability of has a complementary event. And that's because complementary events, to calculate the probability of complementary events, we're looking for the opposite. So can you write this down, title, learning goal, put the date in your book, and we'll look at complementary events. Okay, so just press pause. All right, so we're going to find complementary events of the following. Now I'll show you the notation as well. So the complementary event of rolling a fall in a normal six-sided die is the possibilities of not rolling a fall. So when I roll a die, if I'm not rolling a 4, I can roll a 1, I can roll a 2, I can roll a 3, I can't roll a 4, I can roll a 5, and I can't roll a 6. So how many events are there? There's 5 out of 6. Now, when you look at complementary events, often in textbooks it will say, so the probability of complement of 4 is 1 minus what the probability is of rolling a 4, which is 1 over 6, which will equal 5 over 6. But many times it's just easier to think of, complementary of rolling a 6 is just everything that's, complementary, the complement of 4 is everything that's not a 4. So you've got to weigh that down as well. All right, let's do the next one. What's the complement of rolling ahead? Well, the complement of rolling ahead is just rolling tails. So how many times does that appear? That happens once out of a possibility of 2. Okay. So just to recap, complementary events are just the opposite of what the probability of the event is. Okay. So what's the complementary of it raining tomorrow? Well, the complement of that would be not raining tomorrow. What's the probability of if you had vanilla and chocolate as your only two options of ice cream? The complement of vanilla would be chocolate, and the complement of chocolate would be vanilla. So it's just every other option. So let's think of it. If you're counting like 1 to 10, and you say, what's the complement of 7? Well, the complement of 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So it's everything that's not what the event that we're looking at. Anyway, make sure you write your notation perfectly. Remember the hat on it. It means not it. Peace out.